Making offers you can't refuse. Using can in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on English modal verbs. Today, we're going to dive into a very important and commonly used aspect of English conversation, making offers using can. You'll be able to sound more polite and helpful by the end of this video. Let's get started. In English, we often use the word can when we want to make an offer or suggest assistance to someone. It is a less formal way to offer help and is commonly used in everyday conversation. An offer with can is usually structured as can I plus verb. For example, if you see someone struggling with heavy luggage, you might say, "Can I help you with that?" Or if you're at a restaurant with friends and you're going to the bar, you might ask, "Can I get anyone a drink?" Let's look at some more examples. Can I give you a hand with those bags? This is another way to offer help to someone who seems to be carrying heavy things. Can I show you how to use this software? You might use this phrase if someone is struggling to understand how to use a certain program or app. Can I take your coat? This is a polite way to offer to help someone take off and store their coat, particularly in a formal or semi-formal setting. Remember, the more you practice these phrases, the more natural they will sound. While we're focusing on can in this video, it's worth noting the difference between can and could when making offers. Could is generally considered more polite and formal than can. For instance, "Could I assist you with your luggage?" sounds more formal than "Can I help you with that?" But in everyday informal situations, can is more commonly used. That's it for today's lesson on making offers using can. Now you know how to use can to make offers in English, which should help you sound more helpful and polite in daily conversations. Keep practicing these phrases, and soon they'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning English can be fun and rewarding. See you in the next lesson.